Hey guys, check this out. It's Mike Espo. And if you want to find the cars and the trucks in New York City that are old and cool, you gotta walk around. So here's a Dodge. I passed this block so many times. I've never seen this Dodge. Beautiful truck. Giant tires. Dodge. Job rated. That is awesome. I'm sure it belongs to one of these stores right here. Just a beautiful truck all around. Gorgeous. So the Dodge is a 1952 Dodge. Running condition. And it belongs to this guy who has a little store of almost all types of antiques and stuff, but there's a lot of people in there right now. 52 Dodge right here in the streets of New York City. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your comments down below. Mike Espo.